When did you get into a studio now to start record? Because okay, you're doing sound and you're DJing on stage, so that's cool. But when did you get into a studio to record your first set of songs?
There was this producer named Jojo.
Channel One.
He had a son named Shiny Burrow. Shiny Burrow lived right across from in Independence City from we, and him hear me and one away on the sound, Duff Child, and come and say, oh, we don't come down to the studio. And we went down there. My half Chinese, that's why we call him Chigro. I have a little near and little Chinese, so we call him Chigro.
Yeah.
So we go down there, we buck up Chigro and we talk, and then we carry it to Jojo, and Jojo say, all right, let me hear it up on the rhythm. And the first lyrics I did was a tune named Cane Man. My first recording.
Cane Man.
Yeah, Cane Man, Cane Man. I am a Cane Man. No mother, no father, I am an orphan. All I was, I could have full of jump on. The reason why me all understand me no man, me never have nobody else to depend upon as time goes by, me in no sufferation, box and matter two side, like a old vagga. And the way me spot it, you know? Yeah, never have no clothes, never have no, well, me say me never have no shirt, or me never have no clothes, only one suit, only one pants for my bottom. You know?
Yeah.
It's so long that, you know, some of the lyrics them drop out in a seawater. I mean, I forgot use net and collect it. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, by the time I gather up that part, I remember. Yeah. So I tell them, I have a little ugly bridge, you know, favor King Kong that I went away. You never have no transportation. Not even a bicycle. Well, it something, but it was just all compact lyrics. After I did that, Cane Man, I am a Cane Man. Burro love it. So they put it out.
Okay, they came out.
Yeah, it came out. And you can't find them, the record, they know it.
Yeah. What happened to them?
Them record, eh? Limited edition. Me only have one copy.
And it came out under Professor Nuts.
Yeah? Professor Nuts. At this cannot.
Professor.
And when I did that first song, that's the first experience in the studio. You know? Then after that, no. The second song was Dignitary Stylish and Junior Frost. I did a song for them. I still remember the name of the song. But Bossy, when that song come out, everybody said, you start the recording now. It never reached anywhere until Dungle Man came into the picture, and I did first song for him in the bus.
Massive song.
In the bus.
Yeah. So you had two songs before.
Yeah, I had two songs before.
But it was in the bus that
the bus that really cracked the ice.
Yeah. Did you like, you get reactions from people on song and stage. Did you like recording back then, or you figured this is what you're supposed to do as an artist?
One of the time, I didn't want to get more recording inclined, but it's like me never have nobody to help me towards being that recording artist. And then now, eventually, I found out that I am a more performer than a recording artist. I will stand up because the typical joker of who I am is like I want to express myself more to you on stage with the comedy than putting it on record. My feet say it now gonna come across fast enough, like when me look in the eye and knock you out the ground, then wet you up with beer and say,
you want to see that reaction
the
from
reaction.
the people. Yeah.
That's what it is. Yeah. The reaction of the crowd when me shock with the joke.
Yeah.
So I more start doing this performance. I mean, I forgot Edna Manley for do performing arts. It's just developed instantly develop, or we could have said instantaneously. Sure, me and my words, Demi. Yes, man. Yeah, man. So right away, it's like me just more push myself to be a stage performer than a recording artist. And if you tell me about studio, it's like, you know, it's a no-no to me. But I know I have to do it.
Yeah.
So that's where now, after Dungle Man now, we had the Dave Kelly came in and, you know, we start a thing. Then after the Dave Kelly, the Richie Stephens come now, the, you know, Pat of Gold.
Strong.
Satan Strong. And so I saw it, but the first album, and only one album ever do in a lifetime. If you think about that, a DJ like me, one album in the bus.
And that came out in the 80s. That was
No,
Dungle Man also?
Back album.
It's 2 albums you did or one?
No, one.
One, and it's called Tansobak.
Tansobak.
For Dungle Man.
For Dungle Man.
Yeah. How come you never did? Okay, how did the album do for you at that time there?
Dungle Man just influenced me, say, watch, you know, we had one album. But me say, me have no for me hard with picture in there already. Him say, no, not that album. Me headache, you know, don't laugh, you will lose weight, you know. Yeah, you will lose weight.
I don't have listen, I have zero problems with that, right?
Hello? No, I'm not the cartel all yeah. Yeah, so, him influenced me to do the album. And we went to the studio with Wrong Move and him name Wrong Move. Where the one name? Teeth? Wrong Move and Titimus.
Aye.
Firehouse Crew.
Yeah.
And we sit down and we put the rhythms together. But it's not in one day, you know. You know, next day we make 2 more rhythm and so. And thus we come together and make the album. Right? So we get the rhythms together first, and then now Clive Hunt, this brethren named Clive Hunt, producer, come in and then he now do the mixing, the studio part, you know. Larry, tell about that. Yeah. And I went through the whole ordeal of making that album, and I saw it come out. And then in the boat, sit upon it again, because remember, in the boat was the first one we done, so we just drop it on and just call it the Tansobak album.
Yeah. Because that was a
And
big
man,
song
I took
too.
it on you with us,
Tansobak.
Tansobak. Yeah, you see that album have a couple of me hits them well, you know. Bad Jimmy, you know. Yeah, and it's a unique, yes, an album like that is one of them like a antique album where you're not going to find it easily anywhere.
It's after where you'd find more of your stuff is like the Dave Kelly stuff. Down is where your 45 in your music is more accessible. The stuff before that you'll find it here and there, you know, but you won't find them as readily accessible.
No, them not prevalent like the Dave Kelly one them and the Pot of Gold one them.
So why didn't you do another album? You're wrong. As I said, you're wrong, Dave Kelly. I'm not sure if he offered your album. Richie Stephens and all.
No. Maybe if they had come up with it, you know, say, well, I could do an album. Probably would have jumped to it. But nobody no come to me about the album. And it's like it no in my head for make no damn album because I am just a stage show person. I am just a performer. And everybody was saying, no, we don't put out the next album. But boy, it's...
That's not really in your part of what professionals wants to do with his career. Say, okay, I have one, have a couple 45. You don't want another album. That's not something in your mind?
No.
Yeah, in your career right now.
I don't call EP again.
EP is like with 5, 6 songs.
You put out something like an EP. Yeah, put one of them well-known one and 5 new one. We have planned to do one EP just as a teaser to the people, to all my fans them out there. that's the only thing I really would I really do. Put out 5 new songs. You understand me? Because I write lyrics, but I don't study them. Because remember first time when I can tell you, it was more influential for us to study lyrics when we was on sound system.
Got you. Because this is night after night you're performing.
Yeah. But now you just write and put out. And then if you draw one of them on a new song on a record, that's it. Now if you go sit down and like first
That's not
time
you.
is one of, and then now the Alzheimer's are kicking and sweet, yeah man, dead with laugh. Yeah man, it just kick in more time and you just say chop.
Just load that.
Love it.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.